1930 Chevrolet 3-window coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. All steel body, fenders, running boards, actual body of the car. Underneath the hood, inline 6-cylinder, of course, 194 cubic inch, 3-speed manual transmission. Now, I would categorize this one, if you watched our videos before, or our website, this is one of those that it does run and drive, but it also needs some attention before you're going to take it out and go too far. We have had it running and driving around in the parking lot. I will fire it up for you here with a little assistance, and we'll get to that in a bit. First of all, still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, trunk, engine bay, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description, and that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So you can see us riding on the steel wheels. Chevy hubcaps or center caps. Now the wide white wall bias ply tires, and that's one of the things that will need attention. The tires will eventually need to be replaced just due to age. You can see the chrome in the front bumper, decent shape. Paint doesn't show bad. It's kind of a drab green, I guess, or army green. Yes, there's imperfections, and you see some checking and what have you in the fenders, but has a decent shine to it. But there's obviously spots in the paint that show its age. Of course, body by Fisher. It is an era correct inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood too. Looks like a 1930 model year. Rear mounted spare. Obviously the fuel tank on the rear of it. So when we go to fire this up, the choke is in-op. So I kind of will hand choke it. I have my ever capable assistant, George, fired up for us while I hand choke it, and we'll let you hear it run. So like I said, we've had it running and driving in the parking lot. The battery's been relocated to the trunk. It is a 12-volt system. It does have a new distributor cap, rotor, points and condenser are all new on it. Speedo works, but it is a little inaccurate, and the technician did note that kingpins have some play. Lights were in-op, has been converted to a 12-volt, so possibly the lights weren't or have not been. And then again, the tires will need to be replaced due to age. All right, once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Tell you what, if you like these late 20s to early 30s classics, whether it be Ford, Chevy, what have you, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, so we'll take a little peek at this interior, give you a good look at the door panel, kind of a velour finished seating surface. Wooden steering wheel, cool steering wheel. Yeah, the seat and the headliner door panel is kind of all harkening back to that early 30s and what it would have looked like when it was new. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the tripod set up. We'll put the phone on that, and then like I said, I'm going to have to kind of hand choke this. We're going to get George to crank it over for us, and we'll fire it up so at least you can hear it run. And like I said, kind of a running driving project, 1930 3-window Chevrolet coupe, and let's get it fired up. All right, let's go ahead. We'll fire it up. Like I said, I'll hand choke a little bit here. Go ahead. So as you can see, it will run. Like I said, got a hand choke a little bit, but actually runs pretty smooth once you get her going. There it is, running driving project, 1930 Chevrolet 3-window coupe. Call us, 507-386-1726. All those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Give you a little close-up of it quick, and you'll be able to see the engine from every angle, both sides of the engine compartment open in the still pictures. Look forward to hearing from you.